What is it? Okay. Hey, this is my felt. It's a felt Ethic. About 350, 350 bucks. Got the X rims on the back. I don't know if you can see that. I'm a really horrible camera person. But yeah, I got the X rims. Um, I don't have any good tires on it right now. They're really crappy Kevlar tires, but they're okay. They work. That's all that matters. I got felt Ethic frame. Um, Custom upholstery felt seat. And no, it's not pivotal. It's just regular. But I cut down the seat post. I got big, giant platform pedals for this, and they work really good. Um, Here's the forks. They're thick. They're really thick. I don't know. Yeah, but okay. They work really good. They don't break. Like they're not going to. Felt headset. Pretty much everything on this is felt except for this is a Sabrosa. I think it's a 7-inch rise. Yeah. I just got regular old Tektro brakes. Felt bikes Jaguar. Yeah. Got a gyro. That's pretty much all. Oh yeah, 3-piece cranks. I know I haven't converted to the bigger or to the smaller little sprocket set. This is like a 43 or something. It's pretty big on the back. That's dirty. I got the little caps. I got these for free. Um, Same. The cranks work really good except for when they get dirt in them, they squeak. Hate that. But yeah, it's a great bike. I recommend getting it. See you. I use this piece of crap.